Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Ferrari GTS 308. This was made in 1982. You see it's in a red color, classic red. What do you expect? Ferrari red color. It's such an amazing car. So I found this vehicle at the Hamburg car show. It's got all made all around to it. It's so sleek, the paint is amazing. And all the bodywork, all the plastic, all the fibers, everything is just so sleek on this car. Taking a walk around on it, you can see the back bit of it, which just makes it stand out. Different from all the new Ferraris you see today. So let's get straight into it. The Ferrari 308 GTS was introduced in 1977 as a true iconic of automotive design and performance. Its timeless styling, mid-engine layout, and exhilarating driving dynamics makes it a dream classic car to drive. Its exterior design combines elegance and aggression in perfect harmony, making it an undeniable head-turner on any road. Let's start with the front end. The Ferrari 308 GTS features a low and wide stance with a sleek line and aerodynamic sculpting, capturing the essence of speed and performance. The iconic Ferrari badge proudly sits on the front grille, signifying the great classic heritage. Moving along to the side, we are treated to the classic wedge shape that defines the Ferrari 308 GTS. The smooth, uninterrupted line flow from the front to the rear, emphasizing its dynamic and aerodynamic characters. The mid-engine layout with the engine nestled behind the cabin further enhances its balance and performance. The tailgate, set within black grille and seamlessly integrated into the design, adding a touch of aggression to the rear profile. The quad exhaust pipe emits a synonym of sounds, hitting at the point that lies within every angle of Ferrari 308 GTS. It tells a story of meticulous craftsmanship and attention to details. Underneath the bonnet of this beautiful lies a work of engine brilliance, a V8 engine that defines the essence of Ferrari performance. Let's take a closer look. Equipped with a 2.9-litre V8 engine that produces an impressive amount of power and the synonyms of sound. This engine is a treatment of Ferrari commitment to performance and excellence. The heart of the Ferrari 308 GTS features dual overhead crankshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, and 4 injector technology. This configuration not only maximizes power delivery, but also ensures smooth and responsive acceleration. It's not just a mechanic masterpiece, but a synonym of power and precision. It's a true testament of Ferrari heritage and their commitment to creating some of the most exhilarating driving experience known to mankind. I had a quick chat with the owner of the Ferrari, and this is what he's got to say. Mark, how long have you had this for?
Just before Christmas, so November 2022.
Yeah. Is there something you can tell me about this beautiful machine?
Yeah, when I was looking for one, I wanted a right-hand drive car because there are mainly a lot of left-hand drive ones about. I was looking for a relatively low mileage one. This is 32,000, something like that. And I wanted full service history, which it's got.
It's got full service history.
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard it from Mark. So this has got full service history, and it's a very low mileage. I don't really think you're gonna see one with a 32,000 miles in the market right now. So what have you get up to when you get behind the wheel? What's the top speed you've taken it to?
No, I'm quite a slow driver. I just enjoy driving the cars. I'm more of a put my cassettes in from 1982 and just go back in time and think I'm in my 20s again. But now I'm more of just a cruise around in it than flying around. I mean, they're not the fastest car. Yeah. A modern car now, an average family car, was probably a bit quicker.
Yeah.
But it's just about going back in time, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this a head turner? Does it turn dead?
They do, yeah, they do. But you've also got the Ferrari name where some people don't really like it. But yeah, to me, it's a classic car. I'm into the classics. I'm not so much bothered about the modern Ferraris, but I just like my old cars. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you heard it from Mark. This is a beautiful Ferrari. Mark, thank you very much. Thank you. So guys, in case you don't know how to open the door, you can't literally find anything to unlock it. So literally, The door lock is actually right there if you want to open it. So you have to pull this all the way to you and the door opens, voila. Anyways, the interior is actually beautiful. It's got its cassette right here so you can see that, which is really cool. Could be nice when you just slide this into your stereo and you can just have the feel of the classics. So that's the essence of a classic. Anyway, the interior is beautiful. It's got a tan leather interior. This actually comes with a air condition. So for a 1982 vehicle with a air condition, that's brilliant. Sitting down on a nice Pirelli tire. I bet this is a 16-inch tire on it. Beautiful car, beautiful car. It's got a hot top, which was kept in there. You got the Ferrari badge on that, which is nice. I think you can't really see the headlight because they popped open whenever you turn them on. So this vehicle are not the one that comes with a straight headlight. It's got a few extra lights on the front. If you look on this side of the vehicle, that's the air intake for the engine. You can barely see unless you look into it. When this was made in 1982, there's only 3 of them from the factory that's got air conditioned factory fitted with them, and right-hand drive as well. So there's only 3 of them, and this is one of them. So we have a very, very rare vehicle right here, which it comes with a air condition and there's a right-hand drive. So we only got 2 roaming about somewhere around in England, and this is one of them. This is the 3rd one, which is great. Well, let's take a seat on the inside and have a feel. As we open the door, we're immediately greeted by a cabin that exudes elegance and timeless style. The interior is a harmonious blend of refined material and economic design, enveloping both driver and passenger in a world of luxury. The leather-clad seat, meticulously staged and sculptured, providing the perfect balance of comfort and support. The attention to details is evident in every aspect of the interior, from the perfect place control to the polishing finishes. The instrument clusters, with its classic analog gauges, place all vital information at the driver's fingertips. It's a reminder that this is a car built for those who appreciate the art of driving, ensuring easy access to control and a seamless driving experience. The center console houses the advanced infotainment system, seamlessly integrating modern technology while preserving the classic charm of the Ferrari 308 GTS. It's an intuitive interface that enhances convenience and connectivity without overwhelming the timeless interior. The interior of the Ferrari 1982 GTS 308 is a testament of the brand commitment to creating an unforgettable driving experience. It's combined exquisite craftsmanship, driver-focused design, and a touch of modernity to create a space that ignites passion and elevates every moment spent inside the car. Right guys, we're about to give the Ferrari a start, just to see what it sounds like. On this vehicle, starting the vehicle, it's more or less of with the key and with the button on it. So basically, I'm just gonna try and put that right there. So when you turn that, put everything on the vehicle, and you come on this side, press the button. Here we go, voila, it's on, it's ready to go. I don't want to flood it now, so just give it a quick start, see what it sounds like. That's very loud, right, cool. So there you have it. I've told you everything I know about this beautiful car. It's been a great pleasure that we've been able to review this car. And until next time, we'll see you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you want to have a look at the Hostinelli 3000 review we did, click here. If you want to subscribe, click here. Thank you very much. Till next time, we'll see you again. Bye.